my channel. It is Danielle Doran here with another video, and we're going to do a day in the life of me, or a Saturday day with me, because today is Saturday and it's not a weekday and it's a weekend and everyone loves the weekends. So I have a few things planned for today, so I said today would be a perfect day to film a video. And also roll up. And I am currently on a, so I haven't informed you, but I am currently now working with a coach towards certain goals I want to achieve. So for the next 5 days, I'm currently on a diet break. Now I still have macros and all to hit, so I'm going to go out for brunch and all today. So I said I'll take you along with me. And this is a new restaurant I've been dying to try, so I'm so excited to try there. But first of all, I have to hurry up with this intro because Ryan's going to kill me. He's starving, and so am I. It's a bit later than we thought it was going to be. So we have to go to the gym first, and my current plan usually in the gym takes me about an hour, 45, hour and a half. It depends how quick I get in and out, and dancing and listening to music and chatting, because that's always gets me distracted, and I always give me an extra 15-20 minutes in the gym. Before I go to the gym, because it's a little bit later, I am going to make something to eat. Well, not something to eat, like a smoothie. I'm going to have a protein coffee smoothie, so I'm going to make that now before I head to the gym. Welcome to Danny's Diner. How may I help you? So guys, here is our espresso smoothie. So obviously I don't want to work out on a full stomach because I just feel sick, and I'm not a big eater in the mornings. Like usually I train early on an empty stomach, or if I go a bit later I will have food. We are going to make a espresso, like a coffee protein smoothie. So simply all we need is almond milk, almond, however you say it. So there's about 200 ml of that straight in the blender. I know what else get mixed up when they say almonds. So I can say it here perfect, right? But say if I'm going to order a coffee out and I'm getting 2 or 3 coffees, I always say, can I have, besides like a flat white or a cappuccino, can I have 3 flat whites with almond milk, please? And I hear it every single time, but I don't know if it's because I'm working myself up in my head. Like in my head I'm like, don't say almond, don't say almond. It's like the word gets stuck in my palate, like my tongue or something. Happens to me with a lot of words, to be honest with you. If you know me, you know, it's stuck in my mouth a lot and they can't come out. But yeah, so anytime I say almond or almond in like a coffee shop or I'm ordering it, I'm always so cautious, and then if I do say it right, I'm like, yes, I said it right. Anyways, so 200 ml of almond milk, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Obviously you can use any protein powder you want, that's just the one I'm using. I have half a banana, so I'm going to chuck that in. Bit of potassium, a bit of carbs, you know. So like half a banana, and no, like just your instant coffee granules. I just put like 2 teaspoons in a mug with boiling hot water. Gave that a stir. Now all that is mixed, and plop that in there. I don't really like drinking energy drinks, like pre-workout coffee drinks. I did, but I don't really like drinking them, so I'd rather drink a coffee to get my caffeine intake in for my pre-workout. Now the odd time I'd rob a sup of the Monster Zero, which is a white can. That's okay. I don't mind that one. But anything else, I don't like any damn workout drinks. Ice. I put ice in, but I don't know if we have ice. That is a negative. No ice. So I'm just going to blend this up, but if you have ice, I recommend adding ice. Blended, no lumps or anything like that. Left from the banana. Nice and smooth, and we're just going to pour it into our glass. I'm going to drink this now, and then we're going to head to the gym.
Damn, Aiden, you a killer.
just got back from the gym there. I had a quick body shower. Just got a little bit of literally 5-minute makeup job and got changed. So I absolutely smashed the leg day in the gym and finished off with a bit of abs. And now we're just waiting for the Uber to collect us to go to a restaurant called Wild. I've been dying to try here. It looks so nice. It's like organic, dairy-free, gluten-free. You can get vegan stuff. So like this restaurant is right up my street. So I've been dying to try here. Sitting here on Wild now, and that was one of the nicest nourished bowls I've ever had in my life. It was $14.90, but it was humongous. It was like red cabbage, white cabbage, potatoes, radish, prawns, a tahini and peanut sauce, zucchini, noodles, carrot noodles, like every veg you can think of was possibly in this bowl, but in a good way. It was so nice, and the matcha latte was to die for. It was one of the nicest matcha lattes I've ever had. Basically, I just love the place. It's so nice, and the vibe, the music, the scenery. It's just like real boho, cool, chic, chill. I like the palm trees and all the silver. It's worth a visit if you're here, guys. It is so nice. So we're just down here in Portobello now, Marbella. This is the closest Zara to me, and I wanted to have a ramble around Zara for today. Well, not for today. I wanted to have a ramble around Zara. I've seen a few nice things in, and they also have the Zara Beauty here. So I wanted to have a look around the makeup collection, see what that's like, see if it's any good. So we're just going to walk around Zara, H&M, you know yourself. Just have a little ramble around the shops, and that is the plan so far. And they also have Zara Home here. Don't have Zara Home in Ireland, or home. I wish I could literally just bring Zara home with me. But so we're gonna have a little wander around the shops now. So we just did a bit of shopping, didn't get much, just went Zara, got like 3 things and a soap dispenser for your hands, matches the bathroom at home. There's not much in Zara as I thought, still fab stuff but not as much nice stuff as I thought. So we're just walking around now to the port and Portobello here. We're going to have a little ramble around here, it's absolutely stunning down here. And then we're going to head back up and get ready for dinner tonight. I'm going to eat now all day. Never do this, breakfast, lunch and dinner out and about. But it's Saturday and it's one of those dogs. I don't know if you can see my little white fluffy dog. So we're just out of getting home now. We had a ramble around Portobello for a while. I don't know how we think we are eating out 3 times today, but it's always nice to treat yourself. So we have a reservation booked for 50 minutes and I'm actually hungry. I'm out now to this fish restaurant. I've always wanted to try here. It looks absolutely so nice. I love seafood. I'm a big seafood lover. We're going here now. It's always packed. So we made a reservation this morning for tonight, and I bought a dress in Zara to go out tonight in it, so I'm looking forward to that. It's gorgeous, it's a royal blue. I'll show you when it's on me. So I'm just gonna get ready, freshen up, do my hair and makeup and put that on me, and I'll show you the restaurant and show you when I'm ready. We're date night ready. But I just slicked back my hair out quick, touched up my makeup and just threw on the red lip. Quick, easy and simple but effective. was absolutely delicious. It was like 5 out of 5 for me. I got a prawn pilko for starters and a sole then for main, and then we got a dessert. It was chocolate mousse and passion fruit, and I put it at about 7 up. So now when you're dressed up, you don't want to go home. So we thought we'll stay out and have one more. Just one more would be good. And then we're going home now. We're getting up early in the morning, back on it, back on the grind, back on the gym. Thanks for coming along on my journey for today, and I'll see you all in my next video.